guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am RaeKrystine and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to do a review of the Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer. I purchased this from Amazon. It came really quickly and it was actually on sale. This was part of one of their Black Friday deals. So just going to show you guys how I styled my hair, and then at the end, stick around so I can give you my full review after using it for a few days. Okay, so I wanted to kind of give you guys an update on my feedback on this Revlon hair styler. I absolutely love it. I think it was worth the money. I don't even use my other hair dryer. I've just been using this because it's just so much faster and easier. I used to use a round brush on my blow dryer, but now I just use this, and then when I'm done, I'm like ready to go. I don't even need to straighten my hair or do anything to it. It's just totally worth the money. So I highly recommend. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this channel.